Nova DataMotion is a powerful, browser-based tool that transforms your time series CSV data into captivating animated bar chart races. Perfect for data analysts, marketers, and educators, this app makes it easy to create dynamic data stories that are private and secure. How it works, step by step: paste your data. Begin by pasting your data in CSV format into the provided text area. The app requires columns for labels, values, and time steps, e.g., country, population, year. Map your columns. The app automatically detects your CSV headers. Use the drop-down menus to map which columns should be used for the bar label, its numerical value, and the time frame. Animate the chart. Click the Animate Chart button to start the visualization. The app will generate a bar chart race, showing how the rankings and values of your data change over each time step. Control the playback. Adjust the animation speed using the slider to slow down or speed up the transitions between